welcome to my channel. India is no doubt one of the most popular destinations in the world for holidays, breaks, honeymoons and family trip. Today I am talking about top 10 hotel in India. So please watch this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. Number 10. Vivanta by Taj, Malabar, Kochi. The Vivanta by Taj located at Wellington Island with the outstanding view of Kochi Harbour and natural beauty of green blues beaches. You can experience their special seafood, Thai food, local Kochi food and best known barbecues food. It also luxurious room facility with the beaches view and great hospitality. The best things about the Vivanta, you can enjoy boat cruise with the facility of cocktails, lunch, dinner. This makes it different than other 5-star hotel in India. Number 9. The Leela Palace, Kempinski, New Delhi. The Leela Palace, Kempinski, New Delhi, again one of the royal hotels of the Leela Palace Kempinski Group. One of the best 5-star hotel in New Delhi, which is very close to Prime Minister residence, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Secretariat and the Qutub Minar. It offers more than 250 luxurious rooms, expensive restaurants, exclusive spa, bars and nightclub make it so special. This hotel is highly recommended by travelers, honeymooners, corporate sector, professionals and premium customers. Number 8. Leela Palace, Kempinski, Bangalore. Leela Palace, Kempinski is one of the best luxurious hotels in the Garden City, Bangalore. The royal architecture, rich golden shaded infrastructure and ornate ceilings made it differ from any other 5-star hotels in Bangalore. It offers separate swimming pools, business rooms, Ayurveda center, clubs, bars, spa and world-class royal premium and deluxe rooms, which offer all available facility that an excellent class. Number 7. Wildflower Hall, Shimla. Situated at the top point of magnificent Himalaya, Wildflower Hall is the best luxurious hotel at the high hill point of Shimla. You can enjoy their swimming pools, spa and sunbed at the top of Shimla mountain. It provides luxurious rooms, conference hall, business center, health club, etc. It also offers adventure activity like trekking, mountain bike riding, archery, billiards and more. Number 6. Taj Falaknuma Palace, Hyderabad. There is no doubt Taj Falaknuma Palace is one of the best and finest hotel in entire Hyderabad and also most recommended choice of any tourist when they visit in this high-tech city. The ancient architecture of this palace can impress anyone at first sight. It remains the lifestyle of Indian Nizams and British kings. It equipped with world-class luxurious room with Mughal style, conference halls for businesses, private pools, wide range of restaurants, modern style clubs, bars, spa and natural lawns. It is also very close to Hyderabad top tourist attractions like Charminar, Salarjung Museum, Chowmahalla Palace, Golconda Fort, Ramoji Film City, Qutub Shahi Tombs, etc. Number 5. The Oberoi, Mumbai. The Oberoi Hotel is the part of Oberoi Group, which is the best known of its most luxurious hotel in India. The Oberoi Hotel is one of the main competition of Taj Palace in Mumbai, which offers presidential suite, premium ocean view room, Oberoi executive room suite, deluxe and luxurious room. It also offers world-class night bar, pubs, nightclub, fitness center, spa, saloon with luxurious facility. The Oberoi is the first choice of travelers whenever they visit Mumbai of any reasons, that is holiday, business meeting, break, etc. Number 4. Taj Lake Palace, Udaipur. Taj Lake Palace, again one of the most popular and romantic hotel from Udaipur. Winner of several times prestigious award, which famous for its natural beauties and incredible architectural. It is also famous as a prime honeymoon destination in India. Surrounding by Aravalli Mountains, Taj Lake Palace accommodation can be categorized into 5 levels, that is Grand Presidential Suite, Grand Royal Suite, Palace rooms and luxurious rooms. You will get all the facility in your rooms at Rajput style. Number 3. The Oberoi Rajvilas, Jaipur. The Oberoi Rajvilas is one of the most famous, costliest and royal 5-star hotel in Jaipur, Rajasthan, which is famous for its luxurious palace, renowned rooms, royal villas, private pools, gardens and incredible lakes view with the beauty of old Rajasthan fort style. There is also good facility for business and corporate meeting with secretarial service to make your business meeting event a success. Number 2. The Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. The Taj Mahal Palace is one of the oldest and royal hotels located in Mumbai, India. It is the first choice of travelers to stay who visit to Mumbai for holidays, vacation or business trip. It is the luxurious hotels in Mumbai with the beauty of Gateway of India and amazing night view of over the infinite blue oceans, especially in moonlight. The Taj Mahal offers luxurious room, spa facility, bars, nightclub, fitness club, swimming pool, shopping center, restaurant and more what a tourist can expect from a world-class hotel. The Taj Palace is no doubt one of the best top 10 hotels in India. Number 1. The Oberoi Uday Villas, Udaipur. The Oberoi Uday Villas is one of the most luxurious hotels in the entire India. It's located at the historical land of Udaipur, Rajasthan, which shows the traditional beauty of forts, palaces and mountains. The Oberoi Uday Villas offers the royal beauty of historical architecture, luxurious rooms, rippling fountain, transparent pools, boat riding and outdoor activities. You will feel like you are living in palace with Rajput style, although it is costliest too. If you have good budget, the Oberoi Uday Villas hotel is must recommended for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Also like this video.